CriticalAsset turns a normal single-line diagram into an interactive electrical management plan that allows users to map the flow of electricity throughout their campus or building. Find your electrical single-line diagram to begin. Here we can see that on the single-line diagram, we have dropped assets corresponding to where they are located on the one-line diagram. Press View Asset List to view all assets. Then select an upstream asset. Here we've selected an automatic transfer switch, ATS EQ. To view on the plan, press View Plan. Here we can see that the automatic transfer switch is being fed from multiple sources in the case of emergencies, as well as feeding multiple distribution panels, HVAC assets, transformers, and medical gas assets downline. From here, we can select an individual asset. We can view the asset details, as well as the panel schedule, details, images, fed from, fed to, plans, and documents.